Hello, good morning. So I'm gonna show you how to use this simple game on your lap and your tablet. I'm sorry. Okay, so you will choose years 3 and 4. Then you're going to choose tricky words. You can choose which one you want, so you can choose whatever you want. For example, this words. You press go, and then you will see this word, which is position, and then you are going to try to write it down just like this. Position. There you are. Then you press these eyes, green eyes, and that's it. Then you have to complete all these words. For example, ordinary. And there we go. And the other game, it's this one. So you have to choose phase 3 sentences. Then you choose one of the sentences. For example, the shop is on the corner. Then don't just olvidaros de esta parte. Forget about this part. So the shop is on the corner. You've got these words you can use. For example, to change the sentence. The church is on the right, for example. Or maybe you want to use another word. Queréis crear una palabra distinta, so you write down left. Okay? Then the church is on the left. Or maybe the shark or the boat. Okay? The point is you have to keep, es un truco, it's just a trick. Keep the verb. Mantened el verbo, ¿vale? Okay? Es la manera más fácil. So if you press next sentence, she has worn red shorts. Okay? Then you can change, for example, she for he has. Then worn for seen, and then shorts for boots. So she has seen red boots. He has seen red boots. So we kept this verb. Mantuvimos este verbo. And then y cambiamos este que es participios. He has worn red boots. Él se ha puesto botas rojas. Okay, so you can press clear all, next sentence. And you have to do 3 sentences. Please try not to do the same as I did. Intentad no hacer las mismas que yo hice. Okay?